How do we do a factory reset? A factory reset is a very important but also dangerous feature. Let's say you want to sell your cubes to somebody and you want to clear them and bring them back into factory mode as if they were just brand new. Or if you're having something really a serious problem that you need to solve and you're not able to solve it any other way, a factory reset could come in and rescue the situation. What it does is it would erase all games. It would erase all your Wi-Fi credentials. So it literally brings it back to as if it was brand new from the factory. So the factory reset applies to each of the 5 PlayCubes. You do it individually, and I'm just going to show you right now how to do it on one of them. What you want to do is you want to grab a pen because we're going to be using that reset button underneath here. So you want to start by turning on your cube. You want to hold the back button. If the cube is facing you, that would be the back button. And then we're also going to use the right button. If the cube is facing you, that's to your right over here. We're going to start by holding the back button, turn the cube, press the reset button, wait for a white diamond shape to show up, and then press the right button until you see a white check mark. And now you put it aside. So what's going to happen is it's going to start the reset and it's going to show a star that's going to start completing. This will take a few minutes. Once that step is done, it'll show a green smiley face to confirm that the step was completed. Now, all you have to do is you turn it, you hit the reset button, and then it'll restart like you just got it from the factory.